Imagine running a race where your feet are tied together. You watch everyone else sprint ahead while you can barely move a muscle. That rope around your feet isn't a lack of talent, it's your fear. We often stay silent, not because we have nothing to say, but because we are terrified of how the world will react. If you feel like you're being overlooked or pushed around, stay with me, because this story will show you how to break those ropes forever. In a high-paced corporate city lived a girl named Maya. She was a brilliant graphic designer, capable of creating magic on a canvas. But Maya had a secret enemy, her own shyness. In meetings, she would sit in the back. When she had a great idea, she'd swallow her words. Her boss, a loud and arrogant man, realized this and began taking full credit for Maya's work. He would present her designs as his own, and Maya, trembling with anxiety, would never utter a word of protest. One rainy afternoon, the boss made a mistake on a project and blamed it entirely on Maya in front of the whole office. "You're useless," he shouted. "You have no spine and no future here. Pack your things and leave." Maya felt her world shatter. She walked to a nearby park, sitting on a bench, tears blurring her vision. She felt like a total failure. Just then, an elderly woman sitting nearby noticed her. She reached into her bag and pulled out a stone covered in thick mud and grime. "Child," said the woman, "is this stone worthless?" Maya wiped her eyes and looked closely. "No," she whispered. "Under the mud, I can see a sparkle. It looks like a diamond." The old woman smiled. "Exactly. But as long as it stays covered in mud, the world will treat it like a common rock. Your soul is that diamond, Maya, but your fear is the mud." Maya asked desperately, "How do I clean the mud? I don't know how to be brave." The old woman's expression grew firm. "I will teach you. But for the next 3 days, you must do exactly what I say. Do you accept?" Seeing no other way out, Maya nodded. Day 1, the power of presence. "Today," the old woman instructed, "you will go to the fanciest cafe in the city. You will sit in the center, order only a glass of water, and sit there for 1 hour without looking at your phone. Look people in the eye and smile." Maya was terrified, but she did it. At first, she felt exposed, but as the hour passed, she realized something profound. People weren't judging her. Most were too busy with their own lives. She felt a tiny spark of courage. Day 2, the power of value. "Today," the woman said, "take your best painting to the city square. Set a price that is 10 times higher than you think it's worth. Do not lower the price for anyone." Maya stood in the square with her art. Several people walked by and scoffed at the price. But late in the afternoon, a gallery owner stopped. He looked at the work, then at Maya's steady gaze. "Finally," he said, "someone who knows the value of true art." He bought it on the spot. Maya realized that the world accepts the price tag you put on yourself. Day 3, the power of confrontation. The final task was the hardest. Go back to your old office, stand before your boss, and demand the credit for the projects he stole. Don't shout, just speak the truth. With a heart pounding like a drum, Maya walked into the office. She walked straight into the boss's cabin. When he started to yell, she held up her hand. Quietly and firmly, she listed every project he had stolen and told him she would be informing the board of directors with her original files as proof. The boss, seeing her unshakable resolve, turned pale. He realized he could no longer bully her. Maya returned to the old woman, her head held high. "I did it," she said. "I'm not afraid anymore. What is the secret you wanted to tell me?" The old woman laughed gently. "There is no secret, Maya. Confidence isn't a gift you're born with. It's a choice you make every morning. People don't see you for who you are. They see you for how you carry yourself. If you carry yourself like a victim, the world will be your predator. But if you carry yourself like a queen, the world will be your kingdom." Years later, Maya didn't just become a successful designer, she started her own firm. She became known not just for her talent, but for her diamond-like presence. This story reminds us that your shyness is just a shadow, and shadows disappear when you turn on the light of self-belief. Don't wait for someone to give you permission to be great. Clean off the mud of fear and let your inner diamond shine. If this story touched your heart, hit the like button. Comment, "I am a diamond" below to show you're ready to face your fears. Share this with someone who needs to hear this today. Stay strong, stay confident, and keep moving forward.